In a vibrant village lived a curious girl named Lily. She spent her days exploring meadows, chasing butterflies and collecting pebbles. One summer evening, something felt off. The meadow, usually alive with fireflies, was eerily silent. Confused, Lily spotted a wise old owl named Hoot. He hooted, explaining the fireflies were lost and needed the wishing tree to regain their light. The wishing tree, a legendary wish-granter, resided deep within the forbidden forest. Lily, though scared, felt determined. Taking a deep breath, she ventured into the dark forest. The path was difficult, filled with thorns and tangled branches, but Lily persevered, guided by Hoot's occasional hoots. Finally, after what seemed like forever, Lily emerged into a moonlit clearing. There, majestic and tall, stood the wishing tree, its branches adorned with hundreds of tiny lanterns, each holding a dim firefly. Approaching cautiously, Lily closed her fist over her heart and whispered a wish. She wished for the fireflies to return home and light up the night once more. As if by magic, the lanterns opened, and the fireflies, rejuvenated and glowing brighter than ever, flew out in a dazzling display. Lily watched in awe as the meadow was bathed in their twinkling light. She had not only helped the fireflies but also discovered the true magic of bravery and kindness. Remember, even a small act of courage can make a big difference. So, the next time you see someone in need, be brave, be kind, and who knows, you might just make a magical wish come true.